The ETH Industry Day is the time when applied research meets industrial partners and they plan the next steps to industrialize very promising research.
It's a great opportunity for us to expand our network and connect to new potential customers.
Today's event is really an inspiration for us. We're looking to build many strong connections for years to come.
The ETH Industry Day is a fascinating event, and it helps us to develop a joint vision of our future together with our partners at the ETH.
I'd like to thank you for your participation and engagement in the ETH Industry Day. The ETH Industry Day is a perfect opportunity to interconnect between industry and ETH research, but also to network. And we are looking forward to all the future projects with you.